Hey Google, tell me a joke.
What do you call a shoe made out of a banana? A slipper.